In this video, I wanted to show you the Slack website. So first off, go to slack.com and you'll get to this page and you can navigate down and you can see that down here we have the desktop app. You can actually download your desktop app for Slack. And here you go, you have the desktop app for Mac, Windows and Linux. And you also have the mobile apps for the iOS, Apple devices, Android and Windows phones. Now, if I navigate back and I go all the way up here, you can see that here we have create a new team. You can click on that and create your own new team. And I'm going to show you how to fill out this form and create your own team in one of the next videos. If I go back, you can see that you can find your own team. If you already have a team, you can actually find it by using your email. And then if you already have a team and you know which team it is, you can sign in. And I'm just going to put in my team's name, which is Make Your Media, and click continue. And it already saves my email address and password. And now I'm in Slack. And everything you see here is exactly the same as the desktop app for Slack.